So hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I teach you how to create new style of composition with using Element 3D plugin. Okay, so guys, firstly I'm going to create a new composition and composition name anything. Guys, duration I use 20 seconds. Yeah, and preset this one like this, full HD frame, and press OK. Yeah. So next one guys, I use new solid layer and layer name E3D Element 3D. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, I apply some texture. I show you. See guys, that's my colorful smoke texture. Simple colorful smoke texture, right? So next one texture guys, that's my JS placement texture, right? So guys, go to After Effects and project and import file, select all like this and import. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, select this texture, drag and drop in main com. Yes, and guys, select this texture and auto trace. So I go to layer and use auto trace. Yeah, see guys, channel I use emulation and that's my all settings and press OK. Guys, that's take little bit time. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, select this texture and delete. I have only this auto trace texture, right? So guys, next one, guys, select this pink smoke effect. So select and drag and drop in composition like this. Yeah, and second one, select this blue texture, drag and drop on here. Yeah, simple. So go to here and pink, drag and drop, and blue one, drag and drop. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, that's it. My all setting is finished. Now guys, hide this texture and hide. Yeah, and now guys, select this one E3D layer. So I apply Video Copilot Element 3D plugin. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, go to on here custom layer and text one. Guys, firstly text mask, I apply this auto trace texture, this one. Yeah, and next one I apply this effect and blue one. Yeah, right. See, right. Okay, so guys, all is good. Now click on screen setup. Yes, that's my 3D setup. So guys, I apply some motion design tools like this, and guys, I apply some elements. Yeah, see guys, that's my simple elements, right? Okay, so now guys, second one, I apply sphere and go to up like this. Yeah, and little bit down. Guys, I increase segments. This one, sphere segments. This one, like randomly 200 for more smoothness. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, go on here, Bionic Go, and click on here. Go to up and rotate this object. Rotate like this. More. Yeah, good. And attach on here. Yes, beautiful. See guys, right? Okay, so guys, next one, I apply plain texture, background texture. So click on here, extrude. Yes, see guys, that's my textures, right? So guys, click on here and rename like plain. Yeah, and go to last one. Guys, select this plane and rotate like this, right? Okay, so guys, select this plane and click on here, normal size check. Yeah, right. And second one, guys, optimize mesh. So click on here, optimize mesh check. Yeah, right. See guys. Okay, so guys, after optimize mesh, now I increase this plane texture size. So go to here and increase scale size like this. Yeah, right, see. And now guys, I increase also depth like this. Yeah, so little bit down. Yes, great. Okay, so guys, after that I apply texture pro shader 2 and guys go to metal. Yeah, I like this one metal texture. Yes, and also change UV. So click on here guys, like 10 and 10. Yeah, good. So guys, select this plane and duplicate. Shortcut command is Ctrl D and rename like plane 2. Yes, and guys, change size like this. More. Yeah, and change texture. Guys, this time I apply this one. Plane on 2. Yes. So guys, I rotate this texture. Rotate. Yeah. See. Right? See. It's really good. And guys, select this tab little bit down and up. Yeah. Great. See guys, that's my beautiful texture and composition. Right? So guys, select this one and also rotate randomly more. Yeah, good. Right? See. Okay, so guys, now I apply more effects. More this one. So go on here. I like this one. That's my object, 3D object. Yeah, and little bit down. Yeah, good. Right? Okay, so now guys, I take more. So guys, you can take anyone, but I like this one. Yeah, this one is also good. Go on here like this and little bit down. Yeah. Okay, so guys, now I take one more. So duplicate, Ctrl D. Yes, good. See guys, that's my simple composition, right? Okay, so guys, now I take plane. So go on here and rotate this plane and double-sided check. Guys, increase also size 10 and like 5. Yeah, and one more time, duplicate and rotate like this. Guys, more rotation. Yes, better. Right? Okay, so guys, I go on here, material, and remove the material check and apply metal material and same. Yes, and guys, you can change also UV. So select UV 10 and 5 and same 10 and 5. Yes, see guys, that's my simple composition, right? Okay, so guys, I change light also. I use this time 100 ambient. Yeah, and change also guys environment light. I like this one, environment. Yeah, much better. See. Okay, so guys, my composition is finished. Now guys, I create sphere effect. So guys, this time select this sphere and here like this. Guys, ungroup and take new folder. Yeah, simple. So guys, now select this folder, this one, that's my composition folder, and guys, rename like PG, right? So guys, go on here and this one rename like sphere. Yeah, And guys, also change this layer. So select this pair and layer 2. Yeah. And this one, that's my background, right? Okay, so guys, press OK. Yeah, really good. See guys, that's my composition. And now guys, I take new camera. So press OK. Guys, presets, I take 35mm and press C. So camera closer, like this. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, now one more time, select this keyframe, go to on here like this. So select this E3D layer and again click on screen setup. Yes. So guys, this time I apply colorful texture on sphere. So guys, now remove unused material and new material, this one, and apply on sphere, this one. Yeah. So guys, select this material and diffuse. So guys, click on this one like pink. Yes, beautiful. So guys, I change also this one gamma like 3. Yeah, and increase contrast like this. Yeah, and press OK. See. So guys, select and rotate. Yeah, very good. Okay, so now guys, I create transparent effect. So select this material and go to basic setting. Guys, glossiness 0, specular multiply 0, environment multiply 0. Yeah. And guys, go to illumination, click, and intensity, I like 10 is good. Yes. And guys, go to advanced to change add. Yeah, see guys, that's my transparent effect. And AI mode, use ignore and invisible AI glow check. Yes, beautiful, right? See. Okay, so guys, now I take one more effect. So this time select this model and copy, duplicate model all. Yes. And guys, see, that's my texture and only change guys texture color like this time blue. Beautiful. And press OK and rotate randomly like this. Yes, beautiful, right? See. Okay, so guys, see, that's my simple sphere effect is good. Now press OK. Yeah. And guys, most important part, save this project. So go to one here and play. Yes. See guys, that's my really glow effect, right? Okay, so guys, my animation is finished. Now I apply some more glossiness effect. So select this E3D layer and I go to render setting and go to light and guys, add light, same 100 ambient. Yeah, good. And shadow check. Guys, go to ambient occlusion check, and quality use high. Yeah, and intensity, this one I like 5 is good, right? Okay, so guys, all is good. Now I create this time glow effect. So select this E3D layer and duplicate, Control D and rename like E3D2. Select this E3D2 and I go to output. So use illumination. Yeah, that's my illumination. And change mode, use add and add. Yeah, beautiful, right? Okay, so guys, I go to effect and preset and apply glow effect. Select and apply on E3D2. Yes. And guys, threshold 100 and guys, radius like 50. Yeah. So guys, select this glow and again duplicate and change only radius like 100. Yeah, good. So guys, go to back and play. Yes, really good. Okay, so guys, now select this camera and set camera angle like this and little bit rotate. Yeah, very good. right? Okay, so guys, now second one, I apply light. So take light, this one, yeah, and guys, point light is good, intensity like 150 and color blue, yeah. So guys, I change view angle. So go to top view panel, top view, yeah. I select this light and apply on. So go on here, that's my backlight, yeah, good. So guys, now select this point light and duplicate, Control D, yeah, and change only guys color. I like red, press OK, yeah. So guys, select this light 2 and go on right side like this, yeah. So change view angle, perspective, select both light and little bit up, yeah. See guys, that's my beautiful light effect, right? So select this one and go to more, yeah, good, right? See, okay, see guys, that's my beautiful lighting. So go to back and play, guys. You can change resolution like half, right? Okay, so guys, now last one, I apply ray light effect. So guys, top and light ray, CC light ray, select this one and apply on E3D layer 2, yeah. So guys, select this light, this one, and center light go on here, yeah, and intensity like 200, yeah, and radius I like 50, yes. And guys, now copy this CC light ray and duplicate, go on here like this, and intensity is this time I like 100 and second one like 150 is good, yeah. So guys, go to back and play, yes. See guys, that's my beautiful light effect, right? Okay, so guys, now I create camera movement animation. So go to like 18 second, yes, and guys, select this camera and press P, position check, and I go to like 0 frame and press C and rotate camera angle like this, yeah, simple, and play. Okay, so guys, select this keyframe and press F9, easy is, yes, and play. So increase more, beautiful. Okay, so guys, that's it. My final effect is finished. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. And guys, you can download this project file from my website. It's free. Thank you.